Why not choose your beliefs? Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it, said Henry Ford of Ford Motor Company. It is a scientific fact that we choose our thoughts and therefore our beliefs. Beliefs are thoughts that we keep repeating, according to Abraham Hicks. These beliefs shape our reality of the world as we color it to appear in a certain way, see it play out, and experience it as we expect it. Many people have come to their beliefs by taking on and reproducing the views of their parents, churches, or peer group system without question, without thinking or choosing. Newsflash, beliefs can be changed. Studies of the brain show that with repetition, new pathways of thought are built into the brain and can be deepened into a new belief. Consider changing the beliefs that do not serve you. Release old patterns, reshape your reality. If thoughts and beliefs are a matter of freedom of choice, of free will, then why not choose what makes you feel better? It puzzles me that people let their thought patterns repeat willy-nilly. Why would anyone not choose the most uplifting, loving interpretation of events? Why not choose happy, joyful thoughts and the beliefs that support them? We can examine and create our outlook on life and the reality we live in. Here's one small example. One day, a guest got off the shuttle I was driving and the bells ringing in a tune as we stopped at the medical clinic. As I helped him out of the vehicle, he smiled and said, "Those bells are ringing for you." Now, of course, the facts were that the bells ring when the time changes, and because the shuttle runs every half hour, that is when the bells play their tune. I always arrive with bells ringing and never considered that I might look at it differently. I grinned and thought, well, why not believe that they're ringing for me? And I giggled. Now I've learned to interpret the ringing of bells as having special significance for me, and it always puts a smile on my face. I believe that this kind man had a significant message for me about the magic of life. It turned the experience of ringing bells into an uplifting experience repeated all day long. Plus, to this day, it always reminds me that I can choose to believe as I wish. Life is about choices. Choose each thought and feeling with conscious intention. This story illustrates the power of belief and our ability to change our perception of reality. If you change your beliefs, you can change your life for the better in no time. The story is from my book, Awakening Consciousness, Discovering a Larger Version of Self, which is available on my website, lindsaygodfree.com, as a special offer. See you in the next video about awakening consciousness.